Hello, today's January 31st, 2025. I just wanted to make a quick video of 5 stocks to watch this up and coming week. But first, I'd like to talk about the market correction on Monday. Nvidia fell by more than 20%. Also, shares of Tesla were down, as well as Broadcom and other chip makers, all because of a DeepSeek Chinese chip maker are making cheaper chips than Nvidia, but they don't have the same power. So long term, it should be a good thing for the chip makers such as Nvidia and Broadcom and AMD. But short term, it caused a 20% drop for Nvidia, as well as basically any tech company definitely felt the impact of this news. Personally, I'm a big believer in Nvidia, and I always believe in buying the dip. If it falls by more than 10%, I'm always picking up shares of Nvidia and loading up on Nvidia right now at under $120 a share. That's just a great buy for anyone. Don't miss out. Buy it today. Also, Elon Musk just had earnings with Tesla, and he had a speech talking about the future of Tesla and where they're headed with their latest innovation about self-driving cars in the future, as well as other products. They're just around the corner. Also, the future of AI with Tesla. If it falls to $3.85 a share, definitely pick up shares of Tesla. But here's your 5 new stocks for this up and coming week. I've got in the number 1 spot, ticker symbol SPOT, Spotify. It's currently trading at all-time highs at $556 a share and is up 159% in the past year. I would advise buying Spotify on any red days. It's up more than 21% in the past month. Its PE is 146.61 with a forward PE of 91.64. So expect another amazing year with Spotify. Plus, if you look at the PE of 146 to its forward PE of 91.64, that's the perfect ratio to where you can get consistent gains every quarter, and we should see more 20% gains in the up and coming months. So if it drops 3% or better, buy Spotify. Next company, ticker symbol CAVA, cava. The stock is currently trading at $137.53 a share and still has plenty of room to continue to climb higher. The stock actually reached an all-time high a few weeks ago at $172 a share. So now that it's at a discount at $137.50, I would definitely buy in. It's up more than 200% in the past year, and it has a P of 381.25 and a forward P of 275.34. So it got adjusted a little bit, not as good as it was, but overall this is a big winner. So if it falls 137.50 or lower, definitely buy in. It's a great investment. The third stock on my watch list, ticker symbol RH, Ralph Lauren. It's another great company if you want to diversify your portfolio. Ralph Lauren stock's up more than 59% in the past year. And taking a quick look at its financials, its EPS is $3.48 a share. It has a P of 124.46 and a forward P of 91.97. It's another great example of a stock just continuing to steadily climb higher, and that's the perfect regular P to forward P ratio that I look for. So in the next couple quarters, we should continue to see Ralph Lauren trading at all-time highs. I currently have a buy price at $430 a share. And also, their CEO, gave an interview on Bloomberg News, and he's doing an outstanding job. So, expect continued success with you know, their CEO making great decisions for the company. Fourth stock, ticker symbol DUOL, Duolingo. It's currently trading at $3.64 a share. Duolingo continues to have an amazing year and beats all expectations. It's up over 25% in the last 3 months and more than 89% in the past year alone. You know, Duolingo's financials, you know, just take a look at it real quick. We've got an EPS of $1.82 a share with a current PE of 200.07 and a forward PE of 180.73. You know, it's not going to make as much as gains as say Cava Group or Spotify, but the stock should continue to climb higher. You know, overall, excellent company. If it falls $3.55 a share, definitely great investment. And the fifth stock on my watch list, Goldman Sachs, ticker symbol GS, currently trading at $6.47 a share. Goldman Sachs has had the best year it's ever had and is by far the best performing bank stock out there. It's continuing to have an amazing year with a PE of 15.96 and a forward PE of 13.90, and its earnings per share is $40.54 a share. This stock is going to probably continue to be the leading bank stock for the rest of 2025, you know, with JP Morgan coming in a close second. But if you just got to invest in one, choose Goldman Sachs. It should easily climb over $700 sometime here in the near future. I have a buy price right now at $638 a share. Also, I have a TikTok live between 8:30 and 9:30 a.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday, so be sure to check it out. Also, you can get all my trade signals on Twitter. Also, if you want to get a free stock from Webull, still doing the Webull challenge, click on the referral link in the comments page below. And if you have any stocks you'd like me to talk about in this video, leave them in the comments below or message me. I'll be more than happy to include the stock in my video. As always, do your own due diligence. Everyone has their own personality. You know, what's right for one person may not be right for someone else. You know, I prefer Nvidia and Tesla, something with a lot of volatility and growth. But you know, if you're older and might be on the fixed income, you know, you might want to be a little bit more conservative and choose stocks like Main Street Capital, which is ticker symbol MAIN, or say O Realty Group, ticker symbol O. You know, basically it's all on your risk tolerance. You know, some people would have a hard time with Nvidia falling 20%. You know, but you know, I personally welcome that. I think that's an excellent investment opportunity because you know, my personal philosophy is you know, what are these stocks going to be worth 10 years from now? Don't worry about what they're going to be worth tomorrow or 6 months from now. 10 years from now, Nvidia is going to be worth $30 trillion. Tesla will also be worth several trillion, you know, as well. So you know, we've got three things really driving the economy. It's going great right now. You know, the rate cuts have helped. Inflation's down under 2.5%. So we're in an excellent place. Plus, we have Donald Trump as president. All great catalysts for the economy. So 2025 should be an amazing year. You know, we've seen a lot of small cap companies do exceptionally well here of late. But you know, my personal opinion is over the next 3 to 5 years, we should continue to see the large cap companies continuing to outperform the market, and will do better in the big picture. You know, so always invest in your future, and be sure to hit the like and follow button. Try and get this account monetized. And if you get time, be sure to check me out on TikTok Live. We're there every morning talking about stocks. It's a win-win for everyone. You know, it's totally free. Plus, my other accounts, Twitter, Instagram Live, on there as well between 8:30 and 9:30. Totally free. Hope everyone has a very profitable week. I will see you back here next week.